Fedora Games Lab, an official spin of the Fedora Linux distribution focused on gaming, is set to undergo a major change with the release of Fedora Linux 44 in April 2026. The Fedora Project has announced that Fedora Games Lab will switch its default desktop environment from Xfce to KDE Plasma for new installations. Existing users will not be affected by this change and will continue using Xfce unless they choose to switch manually. Fedora Games Lab is designed to showcase a wide range of games available on Fedora, covering genres such as first-person shooters, strategy games, and puzzle games. It also serves as a useful environment for developers interested in building and testing games on Linux. Until now, the spin relied on the lightweight Xfce desktop, but the Fedora project decided to move away from it due to a lack of active maintainers and limitations in adopting newer technologies. The switch to KDE Plasma is aimed at modernizing Fedora Games Lab and improving the overall gaming experience. KDE Plasma offers stronger support for the Wayland display server, which is increasingly important for modern Linux gaming. By adopting KDE Plasma, Fedora Games Lab can better leverage recent advancements in graphics, display handling, and system integration, providing a more polished experience out of the box for both gamers and developers. According to the Fedora change proposal, Linux gaming has seen significant growth over the past decade, with especially rapid adoption in the last 5 years. Integrating these ecosystem improvements into Fedora Games Lab is expected to make it a more compelling platform and encourage further growth within the Fedora gaming community. Fedora Linux 44 is expected to be released in late April 2026, with a public beta planned for March. Users interested in trying Fedora Games Lab can download the current release from the official Fedora website, while new installations after Fedora 44 launches will feature KDE Plasma as the default desktop environment.